Green plant makes their own foods by the photosynthesis. During this process, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere takes place in the by leaves through the stomata and use makes the carbohydrate principally glucose and starch. Photosynthesis take place only in the green part of the plant, mainly in the leaves. Within leaves, only within leaves, mesophyll cells, a large numbers of the chloroplast, and that are responsible for the CO2 fixation within the chloroplast. The membranes are the site for the light reaction, while the chemosynthetic pathway occur in the stomata. Photosynthesis has two stages: light reaction and carbon fixation reaction. In the light reactions stage, light reactions and carbon dioxide fixation reactions. In the light reactions stage, the light energy is absorbed by the pigment present in the antenna and funneled into the special chlorophylls, a molecules called reaction centers chlorophylls, and there are two photosynthesis 1 and photosynthesis 2. Photosynthesis first has a 700 nanometer absorbed chlorophyll and a P700 molecules at its reaction center, and photosynthesis second has P680 reaction center that absorb red light at 780 1680 nanometer absorb light and electron are excitable and transfers of photosynthesis second and photosynthesis first final to NAD and from NADH. During this process, proton gradient is created across the membranes of the cycloid and breakdown of the proton gradient due to the momentum of the F0 part and ATPase enzyme released through the energy for the synthesis of the ATP. Splitting of the water molecules is associated with the photosynthesis second and resulting in the releasing of O2 and proton and transfer of electron to photosynthesis second. In carbon fixation cycles, CO2 is added the enzyme and RUBIS CO2 5 carbon component RUBP, that is the converter to 2 molecules of 3 carbon PGA plant growth regulator. This is then converted into sugar into by the Kelvin cycle, and RUBP is the regenerate. During this process, ATP and NADP synthesis in the light reaction are utilized. RUBISCO is also catalyst and wasteful oxygenation reaction in the C3 plant photosynthesis. Some plants show a special types of photosynthesis called C4 pathway. In this plant, first product of CO2 fixation that take place in the mesophylls is a 4 carbon compound in the bundle of sheath cells. Kelvin pathway is the carry out for the synthesis of the carbohydrate.